In this video, we will discuss the basics of cryptocurrency investing. Cryptocurrencies are digital assets that work on a decentralized network called blockchain. Investing in cryptocurrency is a great way to diversify your investment portfolio and potentially earn high returns. However, it can also be risky if you don't know what you are doing. In this video, we will share some tips and strategies for beginners. The first thing you need to do as a beginner in cryptocurrency investing is to understand the different types of cryptocurrencies available. There are over 4,000 cryptocurrencies out there, so it's important to do your research before investing. Some of the most popular cryptocurrencies include Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. Each cryptocurrency has its unique value proposition and investment potential. Before making any investment, you need to set realistic goals. Determine how much you can afford to invest and for how long you are willing to hold the investment. Cryptocurrencies are known for their volatile nature, so you must be prepared for the ups and downs in the market. It's important not to invest more than you can afford to lose. Once you've decided to invest in cryptocurrencies, you need to find a reputable exchange. The cryptocurrency exchange is where you can buy, sell, or trade cryptocurrencies. You must choose an exchange that is secure, user-friendly, and supports the cryptocurrency that you want to invest in. Understanding technical analysis is important if you want to invest in cryptocurrencies. Technical analysis involves analyzing past market data to predict future price trends. You can use technical indicators and chart patterns to make informed decisions about your cryptocurrency investments. Finally, it's important to diversify your cryptocurrency portfolio. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Invest in different cryptocurrencies to spread your risk. You can also divide your investment between high-risk and low-risk cryptocurrencies for a balanced portfolio. Investing in cryptocurrency requires patience, caution, and research. With the right strategies, you can potentially earn high returns on your investment. Remember to set realistic goals, choose a reputable exchange, learn technical analysis, and diversify your portfolio. Thanks for watching.